So hello guys, it's your tech guy Lokong here once again in another tutorial on how to register a personal or maybe a business address in Kenya. So you might be wondering, how do I start, or maybe where do I start? Do I have to go physically, or maybe do I have to do it online? So good thing is you can do it by yourself. You can do it online. I mean, whether you want to apply for a personal address or maybe a physical postal address, head on to this link, which is, I'll also add it in the bio. It's posta.co.ke. Then you'll get to see here, this is the corporation that is delegated with the mandate of dealing in mailing services in Kenya. So you can get through the services that they offer, that is the personal services and also the corporate services. But right now, for example, you want to start a business, an online business or a physical business. If you want to start an online business, you don't need to have a physical, or maybe that is the physical postal address. That means you don't have to register for a business address. You can as well use your personal address, and that's what we're going to do today. We are going to register a personal address, and we're going to use it for any other purposes, including registering a business in Kenya. That is probably an online private limited company, or maybe private business which is based online. Yeah, so once you're here, what you're gonna do is head on straight to this corner right here, box services. After reading through all of this, then click on the link, and it's gonna lead you to this other web page where you have these selections. This is the Posta online box services, and you have these services that you can select through. So we have the new box application. You also have the update details. This is when you want to update your details. Probably you've moved from one city to another and you want to update your details. This is where you link up to. You also have the new box service, which is you have your subscription has ended, probably yearly, 2 years, 3 years, and now you want to renew the box. This is where you click. So in this case, you're going to register a new box, or maybe you're going to do an application for a new address. So you click on apply here, then you choose the type of application that you want to do. You have these options. You have the personal, you have business, you have a standalone, you have a special group, you also have the learning and religious organizations. So here right now we want to do a personal address, and you click on personal address and you wait for the other prompt to come up, and it's pretty much straightforward, so no going round and around. So put your name as it appears on your passport or your national ID number. Your ID. That's my name. Then I identify as male. Select the gender. Identify the identity card. You can select your ID or maybe your passport if you have one. So in this case, I'm going to use my ID. Then put your ID number and proceed on to put your KRA PIN. So it's optional, but you may decide to put. So in this case, I'm going to put mine, and then put your personal email address. So I'm going to put mine as that one. Then put your mobile number. So put your primary mobile number. So I'm gonna put, starting with your with the country code. That is, in Kenya it's 254, then 98. Then put alternative number if you have. It's not optional. So if that it's not optional, it's optional for the alternative number. So put the country code. I'm gonna put also my optional number and say here, head on straight to also the county of residence and put, in this case I'm in Nairobi. Select Nairobi. Then you gonna have these selections in the drop down menu to choose from. So I'm gonna search for one around Nairobi, of course. Then let me select this GPO. Then I'm being told that you're likely to get the box number 30535, which is pretty much okay with me. Then select the numbers, the number of months. This is the payment period, the one that you'd be subscribing to. So in this case, I'm going to select 1 year, which is 12 months. Then come and select the occupation. I'm your tech guy here, so I'm going to go with something techy, and I don't know, so let's see. Let me see. I can go with business, but let me look for something tech. I see information technology here. I'm going to select that one. Then put your house number. So put your specific house number. So in this case, I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah. Then put the street. So I'm gonna see. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Then put the city. So I'm gonna select Nairobi, which is my city. And yeah. Remember here you're being told that amount includes 564 keys. So this is constant, but this might change depending on what you select here as the county of residence. So it might be a bit cheaper for other places, especially in the rural areas, like maybe in the rural towns. But this being the city, this I think is the maximum that you can pay. That is 2,000 plus now the 560 for the keys. Remember also, you'll also have, as you're paying, you also have the charging fee for the eCitizen, since you're going to pay by eCitizen. And just as you've reached there, just confirm your details are okay, confirm your name is spelled out correctly, your gender, then confirm your ID number, confirm your email ID number, confirm the numbers, that is your personal number and the alternative number are correct. You don't miss a number. Confirm that your city of residence is correct. Confirm your postal address that you've selected, the town nearest to you, or maybe the place nearest to you. Confirm the number of payments, and confirm everything that you need to confirm. Then what you have to do is click that submit button, and here we go. I don't really need to save this, save them. And what you have here is and now a pop-up to make the payment. And you see here you have cash 50 will be added as convenience fee for the eCitizen, pretty much okay. And your mobile number, or maybe your initial number, will be used as your payment method. In this case, you can decide to update the payment numbers. Maybe the payment details appear. You can decide and change the number, but I'm pretty much okay with the one that has been prompted for me. Then what you have to do is head on straight and click on pay. So you're being told that click on pay. You will be taken to eCitizen payment system. After completing payment on the eCitizen, come back to this page and click complete a box application button. So after you click on pay and you confirm the payment on your phone, come back here, then click on complete box application. You'll get back to that after the payment. So once you've confirmed the payment, come back here and click on which will give you instructions on how to pay. You'll have to pay via a pay bill, which I think is 6 twos, that is 222. Then they'll give you an account number to deposit the amount. Then deposit the amount. Once the payment has been done, you can click on complete payment, complete application, that is. Then it will tell you a pop-up message will pop up telling you that the payment has been done and already in use. So how do you confirm? Once you're done with that, just come back here and check up on this like service, the update postal. And then remember, they had informed me that they'll give me, I was probability of getting 30535 was high, so just use that to check. Then it was in Nairobi, so which is GPO. Then click on search and wait for it to search. So yeah, as you can see guys, my personal postal address, which is an individual, is active. That is for Peter. The box number is 30535, and the expiry date is next year around August. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more is coming. Turus.